All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Gang gang. In today's video, we're discussing Watch Gang Monthly Subscription Club. See, a few of you reached out to me on Instagram, Snapchat, and asked me, hey Big Beard B, what kind of watch do you have on? And when I told you guys, you asked me, was it worth it? So I figured I'd let you know. So I figured I'd let you know how my experience has been, why I decided to give them a try, and why Watch Gang may work for you. So here's a little Triple B history. See, I've always been into the look of watches, but I didn't always know a lot about watches. And if you're anything like I was, then Watch Gang may be the perfect place for you to start. If you're new to collecting watches or thinking about starting a new watch collection, it could be tough shifting through all that white noise. Understanding what's quality, how not to overpay, gathering multiple pieces for various occasions, and even starting to understand your personal style when it comes to watches can be very expensive and time consuming. This is where I found Watch Gang to come in handy because to me, they truly cater to the true beginner. I mean, their process is super simple. Once you decide in your market for a watch, you head over to watchgang.com. Step 1. They show you a variety of watch styles and you go through and select the styles that are most appealing to you. Step 2. Then you go on and select your watch tier and they have something for everyone's budget. Step 3. Super simple. Aside from their super simple process, what I found to be more appealing is that every watch that you receive will be about 60% more in value than what you paid for. Whenever people ask me what they should pay for a fragrance, a watch, etc., I always tell them less than what it's worth. For example, Watch Gang sent me a black tier watch for $99. If you're looking to sign up for that one, it's $99 a month. It's the mid tier, super simple. The cool thing about the $99 package is it includes access to all of their flash sales. You don't have to wait for your monthly subscription to buy a watch. If you want to, you can log on, find what you like, pick it up. You get access to all the premium brands. And then you get eligibility in all of their weekly giveaways. Yes, weekly giveaways. They are giving away multiple watches a week. You can get Rolexes, you can get tags, and they go through and they list everyone who's a winner, winner chicken dinner, so you can see it. And also included in that value is watches up to $500. Yes, your watches will be up to $500 in value, which to me is a major flip. For my black subscription, I got a sports marine watch from Tremento Marino. Now they are an Italian brand and this specific watch comes from their Missouri collection. It features a 46mm polished black case. It's water resistant as a sports watch should be, and also includes Swiss quartz movement, and it's just nice. Now I know what you're thinking, Big $99, man, I can go online and I can find it for 20 bucks. Wrong, because I tried. I went on there and the lowest I was able to find it for was $295. So even if I got it for $99, right, I can almost triple my money. Now $295 was the lowest that I could find this specific watch for, but I also found some sites that had it for $350. So this is winning, man. I am winning. And maybe I can win one of those Rolex watches as well. Here's my thought process, right? If you're gonna spend $99 a month, they also have a $29. So if you don't have, you know, that type of money, you can spend $29 a month. You can do the $99 package, and they also have that big boy, the platinum package, which is $299, and you get watches that cost up to $1,500. So when I say they cost up to this is not the MSRP. This is what they're going for retail, right? If you go into a site, you try to find them, that's what you're going to find them for. So you're getting the real deal. So if you decide to wear one of these watches or purchase one and you wear them for a year, 2 years, etc., you can probably get your money back or damn close. And I'm gonna help you out with that because once I got my watch in, I told them, hey man, it's your boy, Big Beard B, you know, I like what you're doing. You should send me a discount code. And they did, and they hit me up with BBB10, which is going to give you 10% off of your initial order. So that's even more value. I think if you do the $99 package, it's like less than $90, you know? Less than $90, you're getting watches up to $500 in value. Solid. So I would tell you, go and give them a try if you're into watches. You know, tell a friend, you know, this could be a gift. You know, Christmas is coming up, you know? I mean, it's not like right now, but holiday season is here, and you might need to know what you need to purchase. Now you already know, right? Get yourself a subscription, get it for your daddy, get it for anyone else who may need it, or let them know about it, because I feel like they're dope. You guys know I like fashion, I like jewelry, I like fragrances. They all go together. Complete your look, get you a damn Watch Gang. Join the gang right now. As always, I'm looking out for the B Gang, man, so I'm gonna link everything down below for you. Anything that you need to know about the company, I'm gonna link down below for you as well. As always, I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back Again, tell them be the gang gang and hit the goddamn bell.